You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't care when I make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Or you just gonna take that. When highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us.
Yo mga Karikimaru, shoutout. Ito kasama natin si Idol Dimmer Hub. Yeah. Shoutout. Yeah, shoutout. Tapos si Kenji Moto. Yeah.
Pag minamahal, may kursulado, ayaw-ayaw, pagpanendalaw, ay nayayabugin, huwag mong galawin, kahit kabog-kabog, huwag mong siyuin, ay nagmamakul, huwag mong siyuin, nahabol-abol.
Shoutout. So, si Sir Dimmer Hub, kagabi magkausap lang kami niyan, totally. So ngayon, hindi. Kaya interviewing ko na siya ngayon eh. So yun, yung sa mga vlog niya, kung napapanood nyo, sinishare ko rin sa ating ariyan sa page. So
More TV! Oh shit! First cops, now this? Oh man, I'm be a star!
si Sir Dimmer Hub, sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, ay taga North siya. Saan ka sa North, sir?
Valenzuela, North Caloocan yan.
Siya, sa North Caloocan siya. So yung nagkakilala kami before is yung, alam mo, sa JC rin eh. Yan, sa JC kami nagkakilala. So yan guys, subscribe nyo si Sir Dimmer Hub. Yan. Ang kanyang, ano yan, kasama siya nung nakarando sa naging controversial na Wigo. What? What the fuck? Controversial na Wigo. Ayan, shoutout.
Meanwhile, 8:01 p.m.
Ayan, sila Big Bong. Nakagrupo, hello, team nila. Ayan, siya rin yung kasama natin na no?
Nandito si...
Darating ito si si Jeff.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Sir. Si Sir Kenji naman, interview na natin yan.
Kaya sorry nung nakaraan.
Si Sir Kenji ay, nagkasama si Sir Kenji siya.
Fairview.
Taga-Purvis siya. So, si Sir Kenji, taga-Purvis siya. So, taga-Purvis siya. So, taga-Purvis siya. So, What the fuck? Si Sir Kenji ay I know, kilala na rin ang iba. So, Sir Kenji. So, ngayon, first time din natin na-meet si Sir Kenji ngayon sa Marathon. So, ano masasabi niyo, sir, kay sa market sa market ng Autobay, anong masasabi niyo?
Okay naman, maganda. Maraming items.
So, sir, baka pwede mo silang ma-invite sa inyong sa channel mo.
Thank you sa channel ko. Yan ang mga videos sa MG Moto.
Tasyon,
Ba, matindi pala racket niyan, ano?
huwag niyo rin ako kalimutan subscribe, ha. Ikaw Moto Vlog. Yan. Thank you, sir. Yan, bro. Nice meeting you.